my name is Amanda and I'm so excited to be unboxing your April Teacher Care Crate this month. So let's dive into all the fun. When you receive your Teacher Care Crate, you are going to love that this box's theme was designed by A Dose of Reminders, and it's a mindful one. So I love this art print. It has this beautiful rainbow design of colors, but the message is so important. It says, and don't forget to love yourself as much as you love others. And this is a great reminder for the end of the year. So keep this for your own collection or write a special note to somebody to cheer them on and have a positive outlook at the end of the school year. So a beautiful reminder for April. You're also going to love that by A Dose of Reminders, they created this mindfulness journal. It's a book of mindfulness prompts and activities to help you stay calm and present. And it comes with so many fun things. Let me show you a close-up. You are going to enjoy like daily check-ins. You're going to have like a positivity jar, just fun things that you can keep at your teacher desk and throw it in your bag and reflect upon some fun mindfulness in April this month. You're going to get some fun beauty things to add to your collection. And this one is by the Spa Life Plump. It's retinol on the go. It's a smoothing serum stick. So a fun one to throw in your bag and take with you on the go. This is very cool. I also love this ice roller that you get in your box this month. This is such a pretty teal color. It's by Bella Luna and it's for your overwork sensitive skin. So this is great to add to your collection. You're also going to get a Bella Luna manicure set. So this one comes with all kinds of nail clippers and cuticle removers. So fun things here for you to add. And it comes in this cute leather pouch so you can throw it right into your teacher bag in case you ever have a nail emergency on the go. This is gorgeous. I am loving this. It is a Teach gold necklace with these super cute bubble letters. And the note says, your impact lasts a lifetime. So I cannot wait to wear this one. This one's so cute. Such a beautiful reminder as a teacher to add to your collection. You get a new sticker to add to your water bottle or laptop. And it says, sometimes the most productive thing you can do is rest. So such a great reminder to remember to do that, especially at the end of the year. A fun one to add. Plus, you're going to get these gorgeous sticky notes that you can add. It's these beautiful colors. They're such a pretty tone. Perfect to add to your reading groups, throw in your teacher bag, and keep track of where you are. So this is such a fun teacher collection for April, but don't forget to head to your collection print where you get access to all the digital downloads for your phone, wallpapers, plus some fun activities for your classroom. I hope you had a fun April and we can't wait to see you back for our May unboxing. Bye.